Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Deborah Sani, and if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. My name is Deborah Sani. So today I want to do like an unboxing of my iPhone 17 Pro Max that I just got. I've already unboxed it in a previous video when I got it, so I'm just going to put the clip, probably do like a voiceover for you guys to see. But the main point of this video is to do like what is on my iPhone 17 Pro. Um, Basically what is on it is what is on my 13, but I've never done that before. And as a social media manager slash content creator, I just wanted to show you guys what I have on my phone. Guess what we got? Our first big girl Our first big girl purchase. We got the iPhone 17. Let me try to, we got the iPhone 17 in silver. I'm so excited about this purchase because I have been using I don't buy any phone. I don't know where my second phone is. But I've seen it. I have been using my 13 normal since 2022, January 2022. See how clean it is. I did manage phone. It's so clean. Like, this is how clean it is. And now it's time for an upgrade. That's like 4 years coming. I mean, 22, 24, 25, 26. 4 years I've been managing this thing. And now it's time to go to a 17 Pro. Yeah. And I'm so excited. So let's unbox this together. So let's, Ariel, so unreal. So here is, boom, 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 boom. So cute. So we have this down. Um, it's out. It's so cute. I want to put it side by side. Side by side my iPhone 13 and see the size. I like small phones. I got a 17 Pro. Yeah. Practically almost the same thing. Because I don't like big phones. I'm now wondering what the 17 looks like. If the Pro is looking like this. But it's practically almost the same thing. I like a small phone. I don't have big hands. Why am I using a small phone? I have this 12 Pro Max. So you can see how it looks like with the 12 Pro Max. But with the 13, it looks practically the same. Like the same size. I'm happy for that. I'm really happy about that. Okay. So you have this. And then let's put it on. Let's see how it's gonna come on. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's been a while since I've opened a new phone, so please bear with me. Please just bear with me. It's so pretty. Oh, boom, 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 boom. I'm watching TV, so you guys can see what's going on the screen. Says like the all different hello bunch. So we're switching to English. I think I should be recording this from this angle. So what else came with the box? This came with the box and the pin. Yeah. I don't know, I wish it came with like a head or charger. But I guess everyone don't come with like this, and this. It's cute. It's a type C to type C head. So it's fine. I got a pouch for it. My little. I got this Rhodes pouch from it. With the lip gloss, but I can't find the lip gloss, so I'm just going to put that on it and see. It fits so fine. I'm a purple girly. I don't know if this is screaming. It's purple, like a shade of purple. I have other pouches coming, but I will manage it while I can. Yeah. So I'm just going to pick my appearance to be default. I have to set it up with my other iPhone. I'm holding my camera to this. It's setting up right now. You guys can see. It's getting things ready. Set up for me. It's asking for my code. USE. Yeah. But I cannot find the lip gloss again. What? The lip gloss. Okay, I've seen it. This is the lip gloss I was looking for, guys. But I'm gonna choose the OmoBC Wi-Fi. I'm just going to do a whole what's on my iPhone by the time I'm done with this. So it might take a few minutes. I don't know if you guys can see my phone, but yeah, this is what it's saying. So I'll be back when it's done transferring. Bye, guys. So we're transferring right now. It went from like 5 minutes to 12 to 21. This is the 128 gig, and this is 512. So let's just go bounce charge. Well, I'm already charging that one, so I'm going to charge about this one. So it's currently preparing to transfer. Once it's done, I have the screen card that I need to put on it. I don't know how long this is going to take, right? I'm tired. So I'm going to be screen recording my phone. I'm going to put it on Do Not Disturb. But here's my iPhone 17, guys. Isn't it cute? I used to use, let me try to find that pouch. So I used to use this pouch. I think it's prettier. Let me bring it out. Bring it. I used to use, this is how the iPhone 17 looks like. So this was the pouch I was using previously, right? I still love it. But yesterday, my Temu order came in, and as a proper girly, I had like two phone chain. This is the short one, and this is the long one. Like you can see how long it is. Well, I don't have time to be wrapping things around my neck and all that. So while I'm screen recording, I'll be showing you guys what is on my iPhone. Now, do not disturb first. Now let me start screen recording. So the first thing you would see on my iPhone is my wallpaper. My husband and I. So this is my wallpaper. And when you swipe up, you have like the normal I am apps. You have the FaceTime, the calendar, the photos, blah blah. So let's just go to the ones that I put in one folder. So we have for entertainment, we have Prime, Netflix, and Flick Reels. I know most of us, if not 90% of us, we watch all those short reels on TikTok and Instagram. So I had to download this. But I think I stopped watching when I realized that I could watch some on YouTube. So I just have this app to check for the name and run to YouTube or Daily Motion and the watch it basically. Now the next slide or the next whatever this is page is where I have all my apps. They are categorized in folders. So we have the finance app. Then we move to the games. In the games we have Screw Puzzle, Block Kudoku, we have Real King, and we have this Brain Puzzle. Those two are currently offloaded. But I do play them when I have time, I'll just go back. But the webtoon is for reading. I read my comics, my manga, my manuals, my Yahoo, everything here. So that is for me. Then we have the travel apps. I'm not gonna open that. Then we have the Holy Bible. Then we have the editing software that I use on my phone. Sometimes I edit on my laptop, but when I'm with my phone, this is basically what I use. Let me carry this thing up a little so you guys can see this phone because I moved from a 13 to a 17 Pro. So please let me enjoy the moment. Let me enjoy the moment. I have one of the lights in my face here, so I don't know why it's giving like a shadow cast, but it's fine. Let me just hold this like this. Now, the editing app, we have the Face app, we have the Canva, we have CapCut, Dreamface for your AI. Guys, you guys are missing out on some AI tools if you want like some animations to move, lip, to talk, and all that. So you should get that. I think I might do an animation and just play some on what I used, right? You have the InShots, you have the Halo AI. This one helps you to like move your if you go to ChatGPT and do like a prompt and you get like a picture, Yellow AI helps you to move, makes it move. So basically, you have captions, playground. I don't know what playground is. When I downloaded my iOS 16 at 26, I saw it there, but I haven't come around that. Then I have Insta Save. I got this 17V28 for carousel. I haven't started using it well, but I'll get around it one day. Then Black Camera, Black Magic Cam, and A Power Mirror. A Power Mirror is that app that I want to talk about today. So if you don't like filming with your back camera because you can't see what you're doing, use the A Power Mirror app. If you have two iPhones or a MacBook on iWatch, you can just download the app and try to do it on it. It works very well. So let's go to social media. So I have basically all the apps that I use for social media here. WhatsApp, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Hootsuite for scheduling, LinkedIn, and X. I have the SafeTick. I have Business Suits. I have ChatGPT, my Thread. My Telegram is currently offloaded because I have it on my laptop on my second phone, my Android. So I'm not even going to bother with that. Then we have the TubeBuddy, the YouTube, the Messenger, the Grok. I recently downloaded Grok because I was trying to make an animated video and it was sweet. It did well. It really did well. So I'm not even bothered about that. I will show you one of the videos that I did. I'll put it up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Then the next thing is Gemini, YT, and WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business far because honestly, I don't think I use WhatsApp Business as much as I'm supposed to because I'm not currently doing any business right now. So my second sim is just beautifully resting. Now we have healthcare. We have the iMobile, that's my HMO, CDK, and just my health app. Then I have the food, Dovo, Child. I don't know why Timu is there, but because I'm not ordering any food on Timu, but I just leave it because I don't like it on my screen and I didn't have any shopping app. I should have put it the other place because CDK and Timu are shopping apps. So we're gonna do that later. Then we have the productivity that's in my Gmail, just stuff for work, Zoom, Google Maps, and all those things. My DJI Tuesday. Then the LG remote for my TV. Qton. I don't want to talk too much, but this is my new latest app for reading mangas, like all teen mangas. If you're an anime lover, just say hi in the comments down and let's catch up. You know, I just started reading some mangas, and this is it. Then the travel, just transportation in Nigeria, Lagos, Bolt, Uber, Drive, InDrive, and Black. I'm going to offload or delete InDrive soon because the shaggy that they have shown to me, the shaggy that they have showed me, God help me. Anyways, I have my one of my current workplace, Froggy Talk, have all their tools in one place. So I don't mix places. If you don't know what Froggy Talk is, Froggy Talk is an app for international calling. So if you have family or friends abroad or away, this app is affordable for them to buy credit and call you. There are so many promos that goes on Sundays, especially. So you just buy your credit on Sundays and call throughout the week, basically. But yeah, it's also for Talk Radio. So if you are far from home and you want to listen to like home music, listen to what's going on locally. You can use the Forget Talk app. We have Fashion Nova. I just downloaded that recently because I saw some jeans that I wanna get. Oh, and then I just have my utilities here. So that's basically what's on my iPhone, honestly. I don't think there's any other thing that's on my iPhone that I haven't shared right now. So so that's it. That's it. Let me not lie. That's basically it. So if you enjoyed this or you want me to do more sit down and talk videos, let me know. Let me know what you guys are thinking because it's 2026. I want to go fire for fire. I want to go bands for bands. I want to just do this right. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.